Next, we need to add about 6 milliliters of xylene. Xylene is the solvent that we'll use in this reaction, and it will dissolve the anthracene and the maleic anhydride. The product is not as soluble as the reactants, and so that will be another factor that will help us to drive the reaction towards completion. So we'll weigh about 6 milliliters of xylene. Sorry, we're not weighing, we're measuring in a graduated cylinder. So we're measuring in a graduated cylinder about 6 milliliters of xylene. This is the solvent. Pour that into the round bottom flask with the anthracene and maleic anhydride. Add a boiling chip to the round bottom flask. The reactants, they don't dissolve really. Okay, so now we have the round bottom flask fixed on the ring stand. I'll go ahead and lower it to the level of the sand bath so we can heat it, and also lower the condenser into the round bottom flask there. So we have a condenser set on top of the round bottom flask in a sand bath on a hot plate. So that's our setup. All right, so what we'll do next is turn on the water. Remember, water in a condenser, it always goes in at the bottom and out at the top. So we'll turn the water on to the condenser. And then we'll turn on the heat. Turn on the heat to the sand bath. And we want to heat this reaction until it boils, and we'll continue heating for 30 minutes. As it heats, the reactants will start to dissolve, and we'll start to form our Diels-Alder product. So now I'll go ahead and let that continue heating, and then we'll see what happens from there.